This little thrifted Belle was such a mess. I felt so bad for her. She had the worst hair that I'd ever had to deal with, that I'd ever tried to fix, but it turned out really well, and I was really proud of how it turned out. So I wanted to show everybody, even though I only have pictures of it, because I did this about 6 months ago. I do plan on having longer videos in the future, especially makeover videos, so that you all can see how I do things and all of that, and I can give you some tips and tricks to things I've that work for me. I've never had a problem with. I have really easy tricks and tips for things that are hard, like this Belle's hair. It took me a long time, but it would have taken longer had I not known what I know. And I think that people will like that. You can let me know in the comments, maybe, what you'd be interested in. I appreciate you watching, and I'm doing the best I can right now. I'm trying to get things more together, and I hope to have better videos for you in the future. If you like what I'm doing, you can comment and you can subscribe. I would totally love that. If you're just here to just see what's going on, that's fine too. I appreciate that as well. I hope you have a great day and enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.